Hello friends, today in this video I will show you Windows search crashing, freeze or not working on Windows 11. So how to fix it? This is very easy and a simple way to fix this problem. So firstly you need to search CMD, right click on command prompt, click on run as administrator. Now here you need to type this command line sfc space slash scan now. Now press enter in your keyboard and now wait till this process will be complete. This process will be 100%. So type second command. If you comment, so I will give in decision box. So this is second command. Need to just copy in decision box and paste it. This second command. If both command process will be complete, so close it and restart your PC or laptop. Just click on start power button and restart. Just click on it. And after restart you can easily resolve this problem. So this way you can easily resolve this problem. So thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video and subscribe this channel for more useful videos. Thanks for watching.